Let's create an evening look using the 8-piece Totally Electric kit from MŌDA. Start with the spoolie end of the brow groomer to comb your brows into place. Then using the angled side, fill in your brows to your desired fullness. This brush is also great for eyeliner. Next, using your crease brush, apply your favorite eyeshadow primer to make sure your colors stand out boldly. Next, using the angle shader, apply a neutral color all over your lid. Next, using the small shader brush, you can precisely sweep and blend a concentrated color all over your eyelid and use the taper end for the lower lash line. Now, using the detail brush, carve out your crease. The pointed ends makes it super easy to create a defined shape. Then we're gonna blend everything together using our crease brush. Now we're gonna use the glam topper to apply our glitter. You can create layers and shapes using its unique silicone tip. This works with gels as well as loose glitter. Don't forget your eyeliner and mascara. Now moving on to complexion, using our round powder brush, I'm applying a cream foundation to my entire face. You can also pinch the tip of the brush to create a more precise application when applying bronzers and blushes, as I'm doing here. Always love to blush up our nose. Now adding final touches using our detail brush, doing a little nose contour. And to complete the look, we gotta add some highlight with our glow brush. This adds the perfect pop of color. Now you are all ready for your night out using the MŌDA 8-piece Totally Electric kit.